Well, hello guys. Today I am going to play Don't Press the Button 4. And this game is absolute chaos. Let's me get that coin real quick. And you can buy items that can help you. For example, I have the jetpack that lets me fly for a limited time, and the Bloxiade that gives me insane speed. I'm a pro, don't worry. Nailed it. There is a shop where you can buy many items. And there is a wheel. Let me press the button. I guess I was late. For this minigame, I need to collect the most eggs to win. First one. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. What, how I literally have 6 eggs, it should be a tie brew. Getting more coins. This is pretty damn easy. Wait, I got slower now. Well, I will accept my fate. I will win the next minigame trust. Bro ain't never catching me. Let me go to the prisoners. LOL. Bro, move. Let me go in, brew. Pretty easy for pros. Let me check out other people. Bro, you gonna die, there is no lights. LOL. Poor bacon. Why is everyone dying? This minigame is so damn easy. Why does everyone keep dying, brew? More coins. What a friendly bacon. I'm a reset. I would really love to add you, but I met you 10 seconds ago. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna fly. Finally, press the button. Bro placed the last gear. I know you have it. Now bro, I am just joking with you, don't be scared. I guess he got scared. Wait, what? How did they find the last gear? Well, doesn't matter, the minigame started. Bro, I missed 14 times, and only 5 hits. Did I seriously waste all my fuel while flying over the safe bridge? I thought he was going to die, but he survived. Tried to win first, but I was too late. Telling him the wrong bridge is safe, he. But he's a smart guy. Ayo. What were you doing? Bro's acting like nothing happened. So that's it for today, bye.